What is the matter, Tabby? Huh? Is it something really bad? Is the house on fire? Huh? Is the house on fire? Was she sitting on you? Yeah. She wasn't? Oh, so she just, oh, look at what she's done, honey.
Oh, that's nothing. You weren't up this morning.
I wasn't up this morning.
No.
Oh, you follow it. I guess I have to. She loves it when I reel it in, or when we reel it in. She is such a funny cat.
Over the floor.
Was it really?
This morning I came up and there's like 12 different streams.
That's hilarious. Alright, here we go. I need to get some darker string for her though.
Why?
Because this doesn't show up on camera very well.
Oh.
What a good kitten you are,
Yeah.
Tabby. Such a good kitten. Yeah, what a good kitten. What? I rolled it up for you. Hmm? What is it?